Conversaste con la vaca.
Hey everyone, we are here in Santa Ana, Metapan. We are visiting a place called the Hostal El Limón, and what you're watching right now is the waterfall that bears the same name, El Limón. And it's a beautiful place. The view is really amazing. As you can see, everything is green, is wet, is just breathtaking. And for anyone that is watching this video, this is really a place to visit, not only because of the beauty of nature, if for people that like the outdoors and that kind of stuff, this place is just amazing. For staying in this place, they have these beautiful cabins at a very, very good, price for the whole families. They have canopying if you're into a little bit of getting a rush, the adrenaline rush and stuff like that. So definitely this is a place to visit in Metapan.